Short press the power button, the indicator light changes from flashing to constantly on, entering standby mode. Open the focusing lever downwards, loosen the handle screw, hold the laser and move it up and down until it contacts the engraved object. Lock the handle screw and retract the focusing lever. The first connection method, AP connection. Open the Google Store. Enter Cutlabs in the search box, click Search. Find the software, click Install. Complete installation, open the software. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner, and click Language. Choose the language you need. Open Wi-Fi and locate Wainlux K10. Click, enter the password 12345678. Click to connect. Open the software, click on the connection icon, default IP, 192.168.0.1. Click on Connect. Click back and then click Start Creation. Click on the image icon, load an image, and click Next. There are 4 optional modes, monochrome, jitter, contour, grayscale. Click Next. Double finger scalable content, single finger movable content. Click Preview. The laser will undergo rectangular motion, and the motion frame is the position of the engraving content, which can be adjusted multiple times to find the correct engraving position. Click on Parameters, set the corresponding parameters based on the carved object, and then click on Engrave. Waiting for the upload to be completed, the machine will start carving. The second connection, machine Wi-Fi network configuration, mobile phone connected to Wi-Fi. Remove the data cable and connect one end to the computer and the other end to the Type-C interface at the back of the machine. Open Wi-Fi on the computer, select 2.4 Wi-Fi for home use, enter the password, check if it is correct, and click on Connect. Open the software and click to start creating. Click to set Wi-Fi, enter the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password. Please check if the password is correct, then click Confirm. Close the software and manually restart the machine. Open the software and click to start creating. Change the connect mode from USB to Wi-Fi, click on Connect, and a green dot will appear to indicate successful connection. Please remember here, IP 192.168.43.162. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, find the Wi-Fi that your computer just connected to, enter your Wi-Fi password, and click on Connect. Open the software, click on the Connect icon, change the IP to 192.168.43.162, and click on Connect. Go back to the home page, click on Start Creation, load an image, make simple settings, and let the engraving machine start working.